Hi guys, I'm Riviowie. Thanks for clicking my video. If you like this content, I do the same thing live on Twitch 5 days a week, 2 PM till midnight London time. Enjoy the show. For the last expansion, that Stompy deck that I think you'll have, is particularly good.
No, Addy won't have that if he's just made his account.
Oh.
It's new ones, and I think the Stompy one was the old one.
Yeah, you're right.
Got it that and some of the others.
Oh, it'll soon come out which one's the strongest one, to be honest, but really just go with, you know, you'll figure out what colors you like, what play style you like from playing those color challenges. You can kind of go from there. Let's get the Ruin Crab out first. So, mill 3. That's not going to help you. Once you, I mean, I guess it'll take a little while of playing, but once you build up a collection, the deck building in a game like this is where a lot of the fun comes from. Yeah. I could ditch the end of the story and then get it back, I guess. So I'm gonna get it back with that Mystic Sanctuary. Yeah, I played it when it was first released as well, and I really wasn't impressed by the way like the game flowed. But I think they fixed that a lot. Yes and no. For a CCG, it's perfectly acceptable. Put it that way. I think that's fair to say.
Yeah.
Every CCG is locked behind a paywall. It's just the nature of the game, and you know, it's just, yeah, we can't expect it any different. So as far as CCGs go, and the amount they could have charged, the amount they could have got away with, I think they've done quite well to get with, you know, modern battle passes and all that kind of thing to give us value, which I wouldn't have been confident that they'd do in the past. Yeah, we can use that. Get back into the story. And then we're going to play the Into the Story in our hand. And that's going to mill a lot of cards. We'll get rid of that. We'll get rid of that. Can I get rid of 3? Get rid of that, I guess. Wait. Oh, I only get rid of 1. Oh, let me go on. Rid of the island. Yeah, for sure. And in terms of, you know, depth and complexity, I don't think there's really anything better than Magic. I still think it doesn't translate particularly well to a PC. Oh, sorry, I'll have my time, then I'll answer that question, because it's a long one. So I wouldn't say blue is my favorite type. I really enjoy mill decks. Or enjoyed them in Yu-Gi-Oh! And wanted to come back to them. Generally, I'd usually actually play mid-range decks, which in this, you know, red or green would definitely be the styles of deck I'm most used to playing. drawing, so I'll do that. Black has more options as well, yeah. Black-blue decks I find lean more into the stall and control, whereas a pure blue is just bang, mill in your face. Okay, we're going to take this creature. We're going to play safe. So life side is pretty low. And I'm going to play... Let's get rid of another 8. Oh wait, that's lethal. Oh no, it's not. It's 8 at 5 after. Okay. We'll do. Yeah, black has a bit of like hand disruption, discard, that kind of thing. Yeah, and that's kind of the progression of thinking that got me into poker in the first place, was not having a CCG. And so going, well, what's gonna, scratch that itch? And that's kind of why I went to poker.